How are you doing? Yeah, I have a problem. You don't move your legs, sir. I have a problem. You have no shoe on. Did they tell me, they tell me I can't have you up here without a shoe on. Where's your shoe? Yeah, well, I don't know. It's not on. Did you come up here with a shoe? Yeah, look around for it. Here, stand up a minute. Stand, maybe you can find it. Book a chair. There, sit down. Sit down. Right? It's not on your foot. Yeah. Say again? I don't know. Yeah. Well, your shoe's gone, isn't it? Wow. Wow. I don't know what to tell you. But they can't have you up here without a shoe, so we have to find that. Yeah, we have to find that shoe. I will help you, all right? Your shoe is within 1 foot of where you're sitting. 1 foot, this far. Within 1 foot of where. Find your shoe. Find your shoe. What you find? You find your shoe? You didn't find your shoe yet? Can I help you? Hold on. Let me get here a minute. So I'm going to help you out. Now, I want you to concentrate for me. Concentrate. Think about your shoe. Concentrate. Just think about your shoe. Concentrate. Are you thinking about your shoe? Concentrate. All right. Here we go.